Okay, that's more like it. So to kick off tonight's showcase, we have a hip-hop lady from Buffalo, New York that has a very versatile style. She's made it to the finale of other showcases and has accomplished radio airplay. She's going to do a song for us called A Female's Perspective. She goes by the name of Cecilian Kiss.
Yep.
All right now. Cecilian Kiss. What's up? How you?
Thank you. Look at this, the brat. Come on now. That's right here. That's the brat. But yeah, wow. I'm a little starstruck right now. How you guys doing tonight? All right. You can find me at youtube.com/The Cecilian Kiss. Come check me out. This song right here is for all my females. It's called The Female's Perspective. Excuse me. All right. Yeah. One test, one mic, could be your night. You might just be right, just guide me to the light. I must fight for my right to reunite the spotlight. It's on me, day and night. That's why I chose to sit and write. I got the gift, got the speed. I got just what you need. I got the gift, got the speed. I got just what you need. I play the game, break out in shows, but nobody knows the talent she holds. Make haters take off the blindfold. Everything that I touch turns to gold. Cecilian Kiss did drop the bomb. Only people want to talk. Now it's all been disrespected, so rejected. This is from a young female perspective. I got the speed. I got just what you need. I got the gift, got the speed. I got just what you need. I got the gift, got the speed. I got just what you need. What you need. One take, one mic. This could be your night. It's your life. It's your right to shine in the spotlight. Take my advice. I live the life. I reunite this girl fight. It's on me. Night and day. Words can't express what I say. I play the game. I bend the rules. It's not my turn. Now you choose. Want me to win or you want me to lose? Either way, I'm both views. I cannot be excused. I got the speed. I got just what you need. I got the gift. Got the speed, I got just what you need. I got the gift, got the speed, I got just what you need. I got the gift, yeah, just what you need. It's hard for us to be accepted. We have to do so much just to get selected. We want to be respected, they want us to be sexy. That's all I see on TV. Why can't we be me? Not she the envy. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be any. I want it so bad, I'll do what it takes. But if something feels bad, it's never a mistake. Take 2 steps back, get 8 steps ahead. Time to walk away, but it's easier to stay. But one day, you will find your way. Cause age out comes before JK. Not easy. When all they talk about is the past, the sexual wrath, and expect us to laugh. Especially in this industry. It's like they pick a certain person for us to be. What do we have to do just to be accepted? This is from a young female's perspective. Female's perspective. Female's perspective. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, you gotta be the one to shine. You gotta be the one to lead. Guess what? They chose me. I got the speed. I got just what you need. I got the speed. I got just what you need. Yeah. What you need. So what you need? Thank you. Yeah.
Y'all make some noise for Cecilian Kiss.